Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be learning how we could create a color changer for your website. So for example, let's say you have developed a website and now you want to give users an option to change the background color of your website so that it is possible for the user to choose any background color which they wish to choose. So let's go ahead and let's start with the tutorial. So basically the first thing which we need to do is that we need to create a select option, or we need to create a set of options so that the user could select from those options, and depending upon the selection of user we are going to add the color to the background. So in order to do that what we do is that we give a select option box to the user so that the user could select an option from it. Now before doing that, we make sure that we embed the select box into a form. So we create a form by typing the form tag. So we type the form opening and the form closing tag, and then inside this we give a select tag which is used for select box. So we type select opening tag and then select the closing tag. Now once we have these tags on place, the next thing which we do is we specify the options for each and every color. So let's say we want to add up 3 colors. So the first option would be, let's say, for red. So we type option, and this option tag basically allows you to add up options in your select box or the select area, whatever you wish to call it. So now when we type option, the next thing which we need to do is we need to specify some value to it. So now the value is nothing but it is going to be the color of the background. Let's say the first option is going to be red. So we type value equals, and in double quotes we type red, and in front of this tag we are going to type the value which is the red. So we type red here. Now let's go ahead and add another option. So we type option value equals, let's say, blue, and we type blue here. So for a simple case, let's assume that we have only 2 colors to select from. So once we are done with this, we save the code. Now the next thing which we want to do is that we want to change the background color when the user selects one of these options. So in order to do so, what we do is that we go into this select and we name it something. So as we are going to change the background color, we type name equals, let's say, background. And now the next thing which we do is we specify the size of the select box. So let's say the size is 1. So we type size equals, in double quotes, 1. And the next thing which we want to specify is going to be the JavaScript method, which is the onChange method. And this method pretty much allows you to change the color on selection of a particular option. So now in order to do that, we type onChange and make sure that the C is capital. So we type onChange equals document, as we are going to change the value of the document. So we type document dot, and the thing which we are going to change is the BG color or the background color. So for background color we type BG color, then we type equals background, which is nothing but the name of our select box. Then inside it we are going to select the option. So we type dot option, and then finally in square brackets we type background dot select, which is going to return the value which is selected. And also make sure that it is not only select, it is selected index. So basically it gives you the idea of the selected index, and then we want to extract the value which is stored in it. So we give a dot operator and then type value. So this value is going to give the value which is stored in this, and this value is going to get assigned to document.bg color. So basically this line of code right here is going to assign the value to the document's background color on change. So that means that whenever the option changes or whenever the selection changes, the value gets changed and a new value gets assigned to the document's background color. Now once we have it, we save the code. And one more thing which I wanted to specify is that instead of using the direct value of any color over here, it is better if we write the actual numerical value for the particular color. Now you could find the numerical values. So for example, if we want to specify the color red, we use the value which is 730200, and for blue we have the value as 0D09A3. and make sure that you have these in capital. And now once you're done with this, we simply save the code. And one more thing which I missed here is that this option right here should be actually options, and that is because we are going to select color from certain options. Now once we save the code and execute it, as you could see, this window pops up and it has a select option. So we have two colors right now, blue and red. So when I select blue, as you could see, the entire screen or the web page background turned into blue. Now when I click red, it is going to change the color of the background to red. So that's basically how you create a color changer or the background color changer in your website by using JavaScript. So you could keep on adding as many colors as you want, and if you find it difficult to remember these values, then you could directly Google the CSS color values for this, and Google is going to return these values for you. So that's it for this tutorial, and I hope you guys understood this tutorial. So by using this cool trick, you could implement it in your website in the manner that when the user visits your website, and if he wants to change the background color of the website, then he could do so by simply selecting an option from the option box. So that's it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.